My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and we're still indoors. However, look at this beautiful background, my stand-up paddleboard that I successfully pumped up in another video. I'm excited to show you guys that, but for now, let's do an unboxing. This is the United Time foldable fan, not a sponsor. I decided to splurge a little bit and I got a foldable chargeable fan for camping. It's hot down here in Arizona. It's May 1st today. Happy birthday to my dad. And it's going to be 98 degrees today. So yeah, I bought a fan for camping because I'm going to go camping in a couple days. So let's do it. I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I'm very happy to own one of these. I know I always say I'm excited. You guys are tired of me saying I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. I own this new fan. It's so cool and it's foldable. Okay, that's what I wanted. What I like about it is that it's supposed to be rechargeable and foldable. So we're gonna see how that works. So this is what's in the box. Whoops, comes with a USB cable to probably charge it. And then this is just shoved in here. Let's just pull this out. There's nothing else in the box, so that's it in there. And then this is what it looks like. It comes folded between two foam pieces there. The instruction manual fell out, but we don't need that. It's a fan. How hard can it be? And then look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. And then it's just a little foldable fan, and it's got a retractable stick. Basically, you can think of it like a selfie stick, you know? So you just pull this up and out, and away you go. Look at how cute it is. It's such a little tiny fan. And then it just folds back down. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Ugh. It's a little hard, a little difficult to fold down. But then, once you fold it down, it just goes into the base here. So you can see the thing here, it fits into the base very nicely. So then it just folds down and in here. And then look at how cute. And you can even keep it like this because this base has a little bit rubberized. It has rubber feet on it. And then you can just have it like this and turn it on. How do you turn it on, actually? That's a great question. Oh, the button's down here. Oh, cool. Oh, that is nice. Ah. So it looks like it has 3 levels. 1, 2. Can you hear that? And 3 levels. And it looks like it's charged. And then it's got one that, oh, it's varying. Okay, because it's got a symbol. It has 3 squiggle lines that kind of, I don't know if you can see that there. But it's got one where it's got 3 squiggle lines. It just oscillates between the 3. 1, 2, and 3. So, anyways. And then I think the 4th press, it just turns it off. So yeah, you can see it's turning off here. So there's no battery indicator. It doesn't show how much battery is left. Oh, I see. It does. So when you press the button the first time, it shows... I should probably read the manual, don't you think? No, we don't need no manual. Forget it. So I think when you press the button the first time, it shows you how many lights are on it. Let me press it. I don't know if you can see that. So it shows you how many lights are lit up. So 3 lights means 3 out of 4 lights probably means it's like 3/4 of the way charged, right? And then it'll probably drop down as it gets worse. And then if you press it quickly twice in a row, it starts it. So now it's on the lowest level. Oh, that feels good. It's so hot here, seriously. Anyways, I thought this thing was so cool, and look at how cute it is. Isn't this cool? And it just snaps in there, so it folds up, and that's what I want. Because right now I take a tower fan with me when I go camping, and it's just big and cumbersome, so I thought something like this would be so cute. So I did end up buying this. So this cost me $30 off of Amazon. Again, not a sponsor. It's rechargeable. I thought it would be great for camping, especially if I decide to go car camping this summertime. I thought this is a great investment. That way I can just aim it right at my face overnight. And it'll be perfect, you know, for charging it up and sticking it in my car or whatever I need it for, you know? So anyways, so that's all I wanted to show. Thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.